nigo babori gukwerikia ase omoroberi bwa obochenu omonyekaine buna SHA erikonyora obokoreri obuya chingaki chiobobweni kagokwana omoriki omonene bwa amang'ana yobwererania bwa amang'ana nabo igo ni chinchira chiekerero gose ICT Stephen Isaboke chingaki ayetarire enyagitari ya Nyanchwa Adventist kobwaterana n'abanyagitari ba Mauga ba Mairura Foundation kuri ensemo ya Texas nigo baikirania rituko ria mwerio ase okorwa obobweni bwa bosa.
Ono mwaka wetu tubachire muno mwaigwa mutendi w'enyagitari ateba CEO na abatenerete ewiki eye gesa Jumatatu bakarara Ramisi barra abarwaire 2500 screen koragose bareberwarete ange 400 bakorekana babwate uburwaire baka bali babaru 40 itwaita machi ward twara bali ba akunye kuwena onye gutimoka bagogete sana nyakigasi yakorire ngiye bakonyiru abandi babere myaka 13 abandi myaka 12 abandi myaka kaka baumire bakarana kamana kandi kalenga gasinini ayete bone itara keringe yete uranyara uje gukina ubete trauma atanyari gutwara obare mu buri womuntu egente kenneto bate abantu baito faso wala mbiyamo neze foundation ezo yo kwanya abantu baito ze myake aretire binte binge sana ambaibere tote abantu baito berike se SHA kizi kaunti bono iga SHA abantu bere chesete 1425 just insini ini insea 1500 bere chesete kizi kaunti mata abantu bere ngi milioni ibere igo abantu mbaro bandi batere register mune toro ne wodi gali bali bere kire SHA abakonyire sana because kerubi ligete antelas mu wakani jibe sinyi keru wakole ministers ndibaba taya ayi premium yao singi 400 osemia 3 zemia 7 kejua kanore ime umuntu narwara na umugaka na umongi na umwana uko na gitari bagokoye
wikeya abantu kiri bibere ani 5 barorekanire nande asabu sajeri ya 40 yakoliwa ayinege ntekenene kera ntuma itinga bona igori ryo bobweni wali abeire limwe konyorega siniga gokorosa abanitari barure abo from America batumire chwe yabo ba sacrifice kinga cyabo bakire kurwega cyeyo gosobo bweni bwo ubusa nege ntekenene nitwende ko batenga mbuya mono na nyasaye ndeko bateseni na buna piesi ateba osoto wa kirese kandi tukabuya kera nero yaba eteri bagari go cyabo tokore onye ndya gwanchirana na barumba aringe go cyabo ikabachi license takire license medical company takire ikabanchira chichuma kiri abantu babire baitu bakubekera ubusa kigaita support kibaka bazete mpaka kikaye kicyane ariko konya abantu no kenteke beto batebankerina abantu nabange bachase medical company nabiko nyarekana ngo ambaro bakoni nabiko nyarekana ambaro batebi kubache nange egenteke neto ko batebi bunenya gitari keringa obo weni wobo mbuli koera na mbeweye Mairura babekire batotigire maega togendera kogendera nekeyu mpake karona ende baraira no mwako go chimesekaranje so abotogende to ya abantu baitonga onye gwachi kase medical company nande tonyole tiko konyu na kwarengereti bado nabo gocha gocha none kero bachire abanya gitari baito begamba korore ni gutakira operation imba kokorere wetira se SHA UPS yakwanire goro yaye.
Surgeon by training. I'm based in Dallas, Texas. I have the fortune of being able to run this foundation that actually provides care to the underserved, and we have strategically chosen Kesey as one of those counties where we're able to do our work. So we're just grateful for that opportunity. This is our third year in a row here where we're actually running orthopedic and medical camps, and this is the first time we were dedicated to just one facility here at Nyanchwa Adventist Health System. What I would say, now that we're concluding the camp, this is the last day. We've screened, like Mr. P.S. said, 2,000 patients. I think personally my team has seen nearly 400 of those. We've offered a lot of non-surgical treatment options for common conditions that involve the hip, knee, shoulder, hand, and foot and ankle. We've also performed quite a wide array of orthopedic procedures. We've done multiple hip and knee replacements. Our hand specialist has done cases that involve the hand. When you were doing your tours, you saw the kid that had a contraction in the hand and had a